Hello everyone and welcome back to Soluzioni PC. Today we're going to look at a website where you can check for data breaches involving your email and passwords for free. You'll find the website link in the description and is provided by Surfshark. Surfshark is well known for its VPN and for other features we've seen in previous videos, such as ad blocking. Using this tool is extremely simple. You just need to enter your email and click check. For example, with this email, there have been 16 data breaches. This means I should immediately change my password to make sure there are no intrusions into my accounts. And by reading further down, I can get a preview of the report on all the data breaches. The sections are clickable and you can look more closely at the type of breach and the data that was exposed. Of course, to see the full report, you'll need to subscribe to Surfshark Alert, a real-time alert service for data breaches. However, even with this tool, you can already find out for free if your email has been exposed on the dark web. Down here, we can also see if there are exposures caused by malware infecting our devices, and luckily, at least I managed to avoid that one. I'm going to change my password right away. And if you're interested in purchasing a Surfshark plan, remember that it includes a VPN, alternate ID, antivirus, real-time alerts, safe searches, and even the ad blocker we talked about in the previous video. I'll leave a link in the description that will take you to the best discount available right now. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope things went better for you than they did for me. Let me know in the comments if you've also experienced a data breach, and if you're interested in more videos about keeping your data secure, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.